Hi guys, and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. We are planning the week of January 6th through the 12th, and we are using a kit from the shop Station Stickers. This is a full kit, and it comes with 8 full boxes, 8 heart checklists, glitter headers, half boxes, Monday through Sunday tracker, and appointment labels, headers, a weekend banner, 2 habit trackers, more labels, and some functional stickers, little things, date covers and dots, and of course some washi and deco. We're going to get started by whiting out some of the bottom lines to fit the washi. I didn't realize it until after the fact, but the lines are visible through the washi. So on the other side of the planner, I ended up whiting out a lot more than I did on this side. The bottom washi has spots of hollow foil and it's so beautiful. It's one of the few foil kits in my collection since I stopped planning right as the foil craze was hitting the community. Moving on to the sidebar, I'm whiting out the hexagon and putting the full box that has the fashion girl on it. She looks so cute with her unicorn flower crown. Underneath that, I'm putting down a fitness header and a habit tracker to track my working out this week. Over the tracker, I decide to layer a sneaker icon that came in the kit. After that, I place down a this week header and another habit tracker. This one I want to use to track down my Instagram post for the week. So I decided to also layer a mini Instagram icon from Coffee Monsters Co. Under that, I place a Monday through Sunday tracker for the highlights of my week. Since this week is the week of my concert, I wanted it to have a special place on the sidebar. So I put a quarter box and an emoji listening to music. I had such a hard time with my pen this week. I think it dried up, but I didn't have another one near me, and basically I was too lazy to find another one. So throughout the week, you will see me struggle trying to write. Sorry. Moving on to the top, I'm now whiting out the dates so I can use the date covers that came in the kit. I didn't realize it, but my camera ended up cutting off because my battery died. And during the cut, I ended up accidentally putting Thursday onto Friday. But I fixed that off camera and now I'm just putting down Thursday and the rest of the weekend. For this week, I decided to do something different and I placed down all the today headers first. Moving back to Monday, I moved down and white out the lines so I can place my full box down first. After that, I just use a glitter header over the full box and move right back up to the top. I place down a Coffee Monday sticker from Hello Petite Paper, and underneath that, I use a label sticker to mark down the blog post that I was going to put up for the day. And under that, I mark my Instagram post for the day with the little icon from Coffee Monsters Co. Then I use a heart box, what's it called? A heart checklist box for my daily to dos. I also put down a little thing sticker as well, but I covered the icon with a foil paw print that came in the kit so I could write down that I ordered some birthday presents for the dogs. Moving on to Tuesday, I white down the lines in the planner so I can place down the full box. I then placed down a swatch sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. along with a meeting emoji. I had a meeting with some financial advisors. It was kind of scary, but I think it went well. After that, I used a package foil sticker from the kit to mark my Amazon package that came in. I then had my first dentist appointment for the year, so I used a lettering sticker from Samantha Sticks, layered over some washing strips. After that, I used another heart checklist box for my to dos, which mostly didn't get done today because I was pretty tired after the dentist and the meeting at work. So I think I ended up falling asleep around 8 o'clock, which like never happened. So I marked that down with a sleeping emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. On Wednesday, I start off by placing a label sticker at the top to mark my blog post for the day. Then I move to the middle section and place down a full box. Then I move down to the bottom and place a quarter box with a foiled computer sticker from the kit to mark down that I had a lot of editing to do. Then I move to the top and place a page flag sticker with an emoji that's sleeping because I took a nap after work. I then placed down two labels down at the bottom because I had to mark down that I had two group orders to make payments on that night. At the bottom, I had placed a Sleepy Panda sticker from Stick With Me Shop to mark that I stayed up really late that night. I move on to the second half of the week and I start by whiting out the lines in the planner. I then start placing down the remaining full boxes along with some glitter headers. On Thursday, I start by placing down a washi sticker with an I'm tired emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. I then use a quarter box to mark down that BTS released their new song Shadow that day. I also decorated the box with some deco from the kit. I then use a little thing sticker and cover the icon with a foiled airplane to mark that my friend Jasmine arrived that day from Florida for the concert we were seeing. After that, I use a 3 heart checklist that I cut down for my to do list. Then I use a laptop sticker from Hello Petite Paper to mark that I had to finish editing this Plan With Me video. I start off Friday by moving down below the full box and use a quarter box to mark the 17 concert. The celebration munchkin is from Once More with Love. I then move back up and at some point off camera I place down a skincare girl from Caress Press to mark getting ready. Under that I place a label to mark my blog post for the day and after I use an appointment label with two munchkins that are hugging to mark that I met up with Jasmine at the hotel to hang out. I then use a page flag sticker in the middle of the full box to mark down that I got the light stick for the concert. On the way home, we ended up getting pulled over, and even though we got off with just a warning over the license plate not being visible, it gave me so much anxiety. I had a full blown panic attack, and I ended up being like up all night. The insomnia sticker is from Once More with Love. I start off Saturday by placing a little thing sticker with an annoyed emoji because it was inventory day for Austin at work, which meant he worked all day. Below the full box, I placed down a washi strip with a lazy day panda because I was pretty much recovering from not being able to rest the whole night before. Under that, I placed down a email label because I had to contact Amazon over a incorrect order. I then white out the line and place a heart checklist to mark down my to-dos that day. I then marked down that I was able to score a BTS photo card from a Go manager on Twitter. It was a rare one for me, so I was super happy and used a heart icon for it. I use a laundry day emoji to cover up two of the hearts on my checklist as I had more than one laundry day related to do that day. I also placed down a washing dishes panda at the end of the day because for some reason I ended up doing a lot of dishes that day. On Sunday, I white out the line first, but then move to the top and start by placing some washi strips down. I then layer over a heartworm sticker from Samantha May 6 to mark that Casper was due that day. Originally, I placed down a label sticker to mark picking up meds, but I ended up replacing that later on. I then moved to the bottom and placed down a quarter box with a filming munchkin. This is when I decide to replace the label sticker and instead I use a heart checklist box with a to do header. I place a laptop sticker to cover one of the hearts and then I also use a munchkin doing her nails. And here's a look at my completed spread. Though editing this I realized I forgot to fill in my sidebar, but I did end up doing it later. Last time I forgot to check things off on my to-do list. Here's hoping that next time I don't forget anything, but no promises. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for more and I'll catch you next time. Bye guys!